Hello guys, today we learn how to pass data from controller to view using temp data. For this you have required Visual Studio 2015 and MVC 5 version. Let us see what is temp data. Temp data is used to transfer data from controller to view and from one action method to another action method of the same or different controllers. Temp data is a property in the controller base class, so it is available in any controller or view in the ASP.NET MVC applications. Now here we can show how to pass data from controller to view. Let us see. Open Visual Studio. I have taken one empty project. Now go to controller, add new controllers. Take MVC5 empty controllers and click on add buttons. And put the controller name here, home, and click on add. You can see home controller will be created and the message is pass data controller to view dot controllers. Now that is action method index. Now I have to write here temp data, so write temp data, put square bracket and put name message equal to welcome to learn use of temp data. Here you have store value welcome to learn use of temp data in a temp data. Now add a view, add view, click on add buttons. Now from this controller to show the data in their view. So only I have to write at the rate of view data and I have write the key which have defined there, what I have defined message, so put here message use of temp data from controller to view. Now run the application. Great, data is showing now, that is headline, and what I have put on controller home index page, that value show in the view. So you can see here from controller to view data pass using the temp data. Now another method we can use here. Let us see. I have put one more method like second the data whether either this value show in the second or not. So let us see. Put temp data message like you have checked. If temp data dot contains message, then that value temp data message will be stored in temp data message 3, and I have checked and put some keyword like this. And also I want to add the view for this action method. Let us second and click on OK. Now I want to check whether the value will shown here or not. So I have stored the data from temp data to temp data message 3 and go to here and put at the rate of and simply this. Now first I want to run the applications. You can see from index method we will pass data value from temp data message that is showing here. Now I want to open the index action second action method second view HTML, so that data will be checked either it is coming or not. So open second, go this one, write home and put second and enters and press on F10. So you can see there This value temp data doesn't contain the message, any message, means from controller to controller data cannot pass through the temp data. So passing from temp data from action, sorry, from action method to another action method, there is a function temp data dot keep. So only I have to put here infert action method temp data dot keep and this one. Now again run the applications. In that case, data will be keep from action method to another action method, and that result will show in second action method of view. Let us run. When we run the application, you can see there welcome to learn use of temp data. This value of temp data passing from controller to view is showing here. Want to run the second action method, so put here home and write second debugging point here, and now press on F10. So you can see the temp data have a value, means when you put temp dot keep, the value will not discarded and value will be passed from one action method to another action method. So then and control F5. So you can see here from first value of action method of view pass from controller to from controller of action method 1 to action method second by using the temp data dot keep. Also you can pass data from direction method. Let us see how we can pass. Now I have put here redirection to actions and make a third third and also make one third action method. Now put again check the value with either value is present or not in the view. So I put only temp data content message, like you can put message 3 here, put here message 4. Simply we get from second message 3, means message 3 to strings thanks for redirections method. Now check this one. We start from first action method, then go to second action method using direct sh, and value of temp data message 3 will be check here in third action method using the direct action method and see whether it is present or not. If present, that value will be shown in the action result third view. So add more view for this third action method. Okay, and put here at the rate of this. So that value 4 will be show obtain data value. Now run the applications. I have make a debug point in controller third, second and third. So run the application again. So you can see here one by one. From first action method, value will be stored in temp data message, and that message will be show using this view. Welcome to learn use. Now I want to show this message in second controllers. So I have to put second action method. So I have to put temp data keep to pass data from one action method to another action method. In third point, I have make a redirect to action method on third view third action method controller. Then I have to check temp data content message 3. If message is available means data temp data will pass from action result to third, then only show the data, otherwise it will not show. Let us see. First you have can see. Now go to on second page and this contain the message. So temp message 3 will be display and I have tried redirection method to third, then this value will become and check. Then you can see here using the redirect action method, passing data from controller of one action method to another action method will be goes here. In the case of only you want to pass temp data to second action method without any redirections, then value will be discarded. To type this value, so then simply you have to use temp data dot keep. So you can see here value of second controller will be shown in third controller action method. Third action method of this controller. So you can here learn pass data from controller to controller. So you have learned here pass data from action one action method to another action method through the temp data dot keep. If you will redirection method, then there is no need to use temp data dot keep. It value pass from this action method to another action method using the redirection to actions. Thanks for watching. If you want to view more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.